In Activity 11, The Far Side of the Moon, students come to realize that, from Earth, we can only see one side of the moon. Students first model the orbit of the moon around Earth, and then compare the features of the near side of the moon to those of the far side of the moon. You will need the following materials from the kit: Activity Sheet 11, foam balls, set of moon surface photos, far side moon map poster, near side moon map poster, and a roll of masking tape. You will also need to provide pencils and boxes of crayons. To prepare for this activity, make a copy of Activity Sheet 11 for each student. Each student will need a foam ball stuck to the end of a pencil and a small piece of masking tape. Each team of 2 will need a box of crayons. Have the moon maps and photos of the moon available for students to examine. To begin the activity, give each student a foam ball attached to the end of a pencil. Have students stand at their desks, hold the foam ball out in front of them, and slowly turn around in a circle to the left. Ask students, what are we modeling? Students are modeling the orbit of the moon around the Earth. Then ask, can Earth see all sides of the moon? Students have probably not considered this before. Accept all answers. Distribute a crayon and a small piece of masking tape to each student. Have students color the piece of tape a dark color and attach it to the foam ball. Then, holding the ball in front of them so that the tape faces them, have them model the orbit of the moon around Earth again. Ask, did you see all sides of the foam ball? Students should realize that they only saw the side of the foam ball with tape on it. Tell students that, just as in this model, Earth only sees one side of the moon as the moon orbits Earth. Next, inform students that the side of the moon that can be seen from Earth is called the near side, and that the side of the moon that cannot be seen from Earth is called the far side. Give students a near side moon map and photographs of the moon. Have students observe what the near side of the moon looks like. They should see that it has some large seas and many craters of all sizes. The surface is covered with a layer of dust and rocks. Ask students if they've ever heard of the man in the moon. Explain that some people think that the light and dark spots on the near side of the moon look like a face. Review the names of some of the seas and craters. Then ask students, what do you think the far side looks like? Students may think that the far side looks just like the near side. Accept all answers. Hang the far side moon map next to the near side moon map and have students compare some of their features. Distribute a copy of Activity Sheet 11 to each student and a box of crayons to each team of 2. Read the following to students. Scientists do not know much about the far side of the moon. No one has ever been there. Imagine that you have been sent to the far side of the moon. Your job is to take photographs and bring them back to show people on Earth. On the activity sheet, draw pictures of what you found on the far side of the moon. Your photographs amaze scientists on Earth. When students have finished, have them share their drawings with the class. Tell students that in the next activity they are going to plan a trip to the moon. Between now and then, they should think about some of the things they will need to take with them. To conclude the activity, remove the tape and pencils from the foam balls and return them to the kit. For science background, reinforcement activities, curriculum connections, and information about the Delta Science Reader, please consult your DSM Teacher's Guide.